Mr. Vania here. Today I'm gonna wash my bike because summer is almost started and our bike ride is gonna start. And my bike is full of pollen because pollen is out. So let's wash it. Ew! Look at my bike. It's full of yucky pollen. Look at my seat. Black. Okay, yeah, that's why we're gonna wash it. Okay, let's get it. Yikes. Come on. Oh, there's a car. We should wait. Wait. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, why am I walking so long? I can just sit. Oh yeah, pollen is there. Pollen has been here. It's good on my bike. I see the. Oh, let's go. Come on. Water spill on my face. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my hands first because I just touched pollen. Oh, why is it splashing everywhere? Oh, I'm putting it. That makes sense. Okay, I'm waiting for my friend to come. Until then, I'm gonna be playing in the play area. Come on, let's go to the slide. Come on. Wait, oh. Whee! Okay. Now, guys, I am gonna drive. No, I'm gonna climb this. So let's get started. Come on. And away. Whoa, did you see that red car that was flew by? That was cool. And the female is broken. Okay, I don't know this. Now you know what I'm gonna do? Sit and relax. Okay, I'm scared. Let's go back. Actually, I'm just gonna flip over. You're my treat. And I'll slide it down this. 3, 2, 1. That was fun. Now, swing time. Boom, 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 boom. I'm playing on this wing. Keep up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Jump up. Guys, my friends are here. Creative Corner. Stop playing me. This is Risha and that is Jackie. Hi. And and we're from Creative. Okay. Jordan, I just discovered that the pedal goes this. And it makes rainbows. Which is fun. Your turn. Okay. I don't want to get the knee pads dirty, but okay. Bye-bye.
Now I'm still talking.
Hey, that's a sprinkler. It's getting all over me. And we gotta go. We're done with washing. We're ready to go on a ride. So let's go. Wait up. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit notifications so you will be alerted when a new video comes up. And comment down below if you liked the video. And there's gonna be part 2. Bye.